Hello everybody, today we are going to make the best Indian egg puffs dish.
See, we had this idea, cooking is all about love and so is music, so we actually wrote a song about each recipe we're gonna make on this channel. Yeah, so stay tuned and enjoy it. So you're just gonna need 3 ingredients for this dish. It's eggs, onions, and puff pastry sheets. We divided the ingredients into things you might want to buy, like these 3. Things you might want to have at home for this dish, yeah, so-called add-ons like curry powder, yeah, garlic, ginger, and things you probably anyway have at home. Yeah, in that case, salt, oil, and maybe some milk.
It takes only 5 minutes hands-on time and 25 minutes in the oven. It's perfect for parties, fast.
This recipe's no written note, but sung with flame and steam. A folded tale of spice and dough, our onion Nestdream. Start with 3 eggs in a saucepan's hold. Boil them until their center's gold. Cool them down, then peel with care. Slice each in half with a cook's calm flair. Slice 2 onions in ribbons fine. Let blade and board fall into line. Heat up oil in a flat white pan. The onion stir has just began. Add garlic chopped and ginger diced. Small even cuts, precise and spiced. Once onions turn soft to the touch, add curry powder, not too much. Roll out the pastry, smooth and square. Mark even cuts with practice care. Spoon the onion into the base. Center it calm, no need to race. Lay half an egg on every bed. The yolk faced firm, whites well spread. Lift all corners, fold to meet. Cover the eggs, it's all complete. Brush each nest with milk or glaze. Set on a tray in open space. Into the oven, power on, 200 degrees. The game is on. Onion Nestdream, gentle fold, wrapped in spice and pastry gold. Soft the shell and warm the core, baked and bound forevermore. Onion Nestdream, gentle fold, wrapped in spice and pastry gold. Soft the shell and warm the core, baked and bound forevermore.
So, as promised, it takes only 5 minutes.
Yeah, we hope you liked it. If you did, hit the button. This was an experiment, but if you subscribe, you're gonna see more of this.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
Very good.
Onion Nestdream, gentle fold, wrapped in spice and pastry.